In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media links to Squarespace. If you want visitors to quickly find your Instagram, Facebook, and X profiles, Squarespace makes it very easy to add social icons directly to your page. This is a simple way to make your site feel more connected and professional, and it also gives people more ways to follow your brand or business online. To get started, open the page in Squarespace where you want your social media links to appear. Once you're in the page editor, click on ADD block. This is where you can insert new content elements into your page, including social icons. After that, use the search bar and type the word social. This helps narrow down the available block options so you can find the right one faster, especially if you're working in a page with lots of content block choices. When the matching results appear, click on social links. This will insert the social links block onto your page. At this point, you'll usually see default social media icons appear, but they still need to be customized with your own profile URLs. Next, click the pencil icon to edit the block settings. The pencil icon opens the customization panel where you can control which social platforms are included and what links they point to. This is the main area you'll use to personalize the block for your website. Now click the Instagram icon. This lets you edit that specific social platform. Once selected, paste in your Instagram profile link. Make sure you're using the full and correct URL so visitors are directed to the right account when they click the icon. Then repeat that same process for Facebook and X. Select each icon one at a time and paste in the correct profile link for each platform. Take a moment to double check your links before saving, because even a small mistake in the URL can send visitors to the wrong page or cause the link not to work at all. Once your links are added, your social icons will now lead directly to your social media profiles. This is especially useful if you want to increase engagement across platforms and make it easier for your audience to stay connected with you beyond your website. A quick tip before you finish: preview the page and test each icon yourself. That way, you can confirm that every link opens correctly and that the block looks good in the spot where you placed it. And that's how to add social media links to Squarespace.